Light & Strong is a manufacturer of advanced parts made of composites for the aerospace and defense industry. Composite material is time-sensitive and requires constant monitoring. In the past, Light & Strong operators spent a lot of time on manual calculations of material remaining shelf life, which led to errors, delays and waste.
We selected Plataine to reduce errors and material waste in our facility to zero. With Plataine, we tag all incoming materials, and the cloud software takes care of the rest. Material shelf life and expiration are calculated automatically, so whenever a material is about to expire, my staff get an immediate warning about it. The software also automates the material flow between our different freezers and clean rooms, ensuring efficiency and on-time delivery.
Light & Strong's operators found the Plataine solution easy to use, and the system was fully deployed within just 4 weeks. Contact us to join the factory of the future.